everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just popping in real quick to tell you what's happening in this video. Basically, 2018 has been such an amazing year. I've met so many of you, and I thought it would be kind of funny just to show you all the bloopers, well, the best bloopers from 2018, because sometimes I struggle to talk. So this is just entertainment. So have fun watching me mess up a lot of times. That's cut that out. Good gracious. Okay. You do want to avoid those. Okay. Fasting helps by because of that. I'm so excited. Oh, I have to see. No, that's not right. So that wraps up the video. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching, and get ready for 2019. I have so many videos planned, and I'm launching my new program, my 6-week program. Go check it out on my website.